Luca, Luke, you asleep? Why are you over here? The children are disturbing you? You can't sleep? Huh, Luke? You can't sleep? Huh, love? What you want me to do? I can't do anything about the children. Look at you, tired. Just tired. Just go to sleep. It's not quiet anymore. Sorry. Sorry, it's not quiet. Just go to sleep. Go lie down.
How to identify a cat's nationality.
Kitty. Not working. Mushik. No. Psh. No. Me. Whew, Chinese cat.